I wonder if I'm running out of space on my SD card. No, I have, whatever. My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're just going to be doing a little unboxing of this Energizer lantern. I know it seems kind of beat up, you know, it looks like, you know, somebody tried to open it or they didn't like it and they sent it back, so whatever. So it comes with batteries in the back. I've already started opening it because I thought I was recording already, so whatever. So it comes with 4 AA batteries, you can see here. And I was just trying to open it on camera when, you know, things were going awry apparently with my camera. It wasn't recording. I'm not sure why. But anyway, so this is what it looks like in the packaging. And then I just ripped this open in order to see it. But what was weird is that the packaging itself was kind of beat up. Like somebody returned it, you know, they didn't want it. So according to the back, it just says that this is an area light. And I really like the pictures too in the back. You can see here and here where, you know, somebody's carrying it. It looks very bright. And I was trying to do this before it got too dark because I'm actually in the Grand Canyon right now and it's getting dark pretty fast. So I'm just trying to unbox this so that I can use it. So it does say that it's an area light, light output measured from LED at 135 milliamps RMS. I'm not sure what that is. Value is only applicable to the LED. Actual device light output may vary. And then it doesn't say anything else about it. So it just says, according to this, it just says that you can like stand it up, you know, or you can lay it flat and kind of carry it around. So I'm very excited to try and use this right away. So again, I've already started opening it. I thought I was filming earlier. I guess I wasn't. So I keep checking the camera now to make sure. So anyway, so it comes with 4 AA batteries here. And I don't know if, you know, the person, they didn't like it, so they just use the batteries and put them back. I have no idea. So, and then I went and got scissors in order to cut this open. So I was cutting it open, and then so here it is. Here's the whole lantern, and this is nice. Oh, let's go ahead and put the batteries in. So, oh, it's missing the. It doesn't have a battery cover. Okay. So. I guess when they sent it back, they forgot the battery cover. And now it's too late because I've had it for a while. I just haven't opened it or used it. Or maybe it got lost in my stuff, but I don't think so. Goodness. I really think it's missing the battery pack. Like, maybe that's why it was sent back and then they just sent it out to me. I don't know. Okay, whatever. So, I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Negative to positive. Negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to positive. Then you turn on. Oh, that's nice. Comes on right away. Okay. Okay, it's just click on or click off. There's no other choice. So as you can see, it's pretty bright, you know, but you can see that the LEDs are here and it just lights up the square. So you can see there's 5. Nope, there's only 4. So there's 4 LEDs down here at the bottom, and you can see those. These are, since it's still daylight, it is still pretty bright out. It's Arizona. But I think the camera can pick it up too. So there's 4 LEDs down here, and it looks like the light just is, you know, it spreads up here to make it really bright, right? Because this is all just clear glass or clear plastic. So I like this though. I wish it had the battery cover. I think that's kind of silly that it's missing that, so the batteries are just kind of exposed. But I do like this, and it looks like it's portable, you know, you can carry it around, and it just has a simple on-off button, so it's pretty hard to do actually. I wonder if it has different modes. So this is one, it's on. Okay, this must be softer lights, see, where you can really see the lights in there. And then if you don't press it all the way, you see how it goes off kind of and then turns back on. So this is really bright, this is softer. And see, you can kind of play with it. So it's, I don't know if it's messed up or whatever. So if you just gently tap the power button, it kind of shuts off, on and off. So you have to really press it in to turn it off then. So then this is off. And you can see that no lights are shining down there. So anyways, I'm very happy. I'm excited to use this. I'll probably film myself using this tonight. And I'll be really happy to use this in, you know, just a couple hours when it starts getting dark out. So I'll probably end up putting duct tape on the bottom of this. I don't know how I lost the battery pack, but whatever. And then that's it. So cool, huh? It's a light, you know, what more can I say? And it looks like I have room for my hand, so that if I want to carry it with me to the bathroom in the middle of the night or whatever, it's going to work out great. So, and I like that it's got a couple settings, you know, in order to keep the bugs away at night. Maybe it'll be helpful to use the lower light setting for that. So, but that's it. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.